Hello, today I will be making a recording on how to create a repository as well as how to push a directory onto that repository. So here I am going to set up a new repository for public under the name Week3 Promeo Project, as I've decided to name it. And here I have already created the new repository, public, new repository for the command line. I'm going here to my command prompt. As we can see, it is currently empty. So I'm going to make a new directory for the current week 3, which is already there. So I'll go ahead to set up that directory. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just set up all the steps right here as follows. Of course, echo being the least important one, get in it being the more important of the first two steps. And here we have the empty repository as is. Next, we're going to just add or get add. Instead of doing the readme, I'm just going to do add space period. That way we can add everything we have. Get status. Changes to be committed. First thing we need to commit. AM will do just fine, as well as M. Committed, commits week, one file changed. One insertion, so that looks to be pretty good as is. Get branch. No problems yet. And here we're just gonna connect it to the online repository. Still no problems. And now we're going to push it to the main branch. And the status for that, nothing to commit. And we go over here, reset the page. And there is the README that we set up 1 minute ago, which is roughly around the time we set up the commit. And if we decided to open it up again, directory, we can see we're already on branch. And we could make a new file now, and we could just select the add option, and then commit and finally push in that order, like how we did only seconds ago. And we should be able to set up all of the new changes to whatever projects we had or whatever we uploaded to the current repository or our remote repository. And that's about as complicated as it gets. And outside of that, we can see everything's working just fine. And it would only be a matter of adding different files to it once we work on more advanced projects, which would conclude what we are currently doing. Thank you very much.